This story is very close to my heart. It's something I have always wanted to share but never quite did until now. We traveled from coast to coast, journeying from the bustling east all the way to the breathtaking west, just to witness these incredible views right here in Utah. So buckle up and let's begin. Hey everyone, good morning. Just woke up. So we're in Price right now in Utah, and we're gonna drive 2 hours in Moab to visit Arches National Park. So hopefully you guys will be with us and enjoy the video. Good morning everyone. So we just started for Arches National Park and it will be 1 hour 42 minutes drive from here, and the weather seems very sunny, very hot, so hopefully we're gonna enjoy, and you guys will also enjoy the views and everything I'm gonna show you to you guys. Okay, so let's enjoy. Hey guys, so we're almost here. This is Arches National Park, the another side of it. So we're gonna climb. We're gonna try to climb definitely from the other side, but we just see this view and thought like, let's just stop here and like capture some beautiful moment over here. You see it's very calm, very quiet, but it looks beautiful. Like the red stone, the mountain. It looks amazing. So yeah, we just finished that over here as you saw, and now we started again. It will be 7 minutes from here. We're gonna find out how it's gonna be over there. It's really hot outside, but it's summer, so we just have to deal with it. We're gonna see how we survive over there, right guys? Stay with us and enjoy the video. we're here. We just parked right over here, as you can see, and we're gonna climb all the way over here as all the cars are going from there. I don't know if you can see it. So from there, we're gonna climb, and then we have to stop somewhere, and then we have to walk. And then we're gonna see and go over there. So let's go, guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
We are low on fuel, so we have to put some fuel in our car. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we are heading out from Arches National Park, Utah, and our next destination is Potash Pond. I'm gonna roll some drone footage for you so that you can enjoy the view. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful